My name is Katherine Ryker, and I got my PhD in geoscience education research, specializing in geology. I do work studying how people teach and learn in the geosciences, primarily in introductory geology classes. I think these classes are really important for a couple of different reasons. One is, of course, we love to use them to recruit majors. We want to get everybody really excited about geology and studying it. But also because we have so many people in those classes, these are also important places or opportunities to train citizen scientists, just people who are going to go out into the world, who are going to be business leaders, engineers, everything, just to give them kind of a working knowledge of earth science. So a lot of my research focuses on how we help students learn in those classes, but also how we help them see science in a more positive light, and maybe identify themselves as more of scientists. So yeah, I study how people teach and learn, particularly in those introductory spaces. So I teach 3 or 4 classes at pretty regular intervals, several introductory classes and one for upper level students and graduate students. I regularly teach Geology 101, Introduction to the Earth, and then also Geology 305, our second semester course for geology students and those interested for learning a little bit more about how the Earth has changed over time. And then for upper level students and graduate students, I teach a class on methods in geoscience education research. So that course is to help give people a little bit of a sense of what kind of tools we use as education researchers, how they could apply them to answer different research questions. And then as part of that class, we conduct a research project together as a group. So I've been really fortunate in our lab. We've had a great crew of graduate and undergraduate students who have come through the lab and done everything from semester-long independent study projects to master's theses and PhD dissertations. We currently have 3 graduate students in the lab and 2 undergraduate students who are working with me. I'm always looking for interested folks who want to get involved. If you're interested in research and how to improve science education, please come talk to me. I would love to have a conversation about your interest and maybe how we can get you involved in a current project. I think this is a great space to find like-minded individuals who want to learn more and want to meaningfully contribute to making the world a better place. And I feel that every time I talk to our undergrads, our grad students, our faculty. And on top of that, the class sizes within the SEOE as you get into your major classes, they tend to be small. You tend to get a lot of one-on-one time with faculty members, really getting to know them, whether it's on field trips or in the class or in the lab. And so the degree as a whole, even though you're studying the entire Earth, it has this potential to feel really personal to you. And I think those are some hallmarks of a really great education.